Today we're going to be making a very simple tool holder for the spade bits. So it could also be described as a piece of wood with a few holes in it. It's pretty simple, but really handy. So with these spade bits, just the bottom part, the circular area, will slide into the rack. So just lay out whatever tools you want to have in the rack. Just to work out how much timber we need to cut off. We're just going to use a miter box and handsaw for this one. So we're going to have 5 that go across the front. We've got an adapter tool, which we'll put by itself in a back row. So for that, we're going to need to work out 2 different lines across the piece of timber. The square here is just being used as a ruler. So you can just see those 2 lines faintly going across. So once again, we'll lay out the tools. The bigger ones will require a bit more space, so it's important to lay them out rather than just do a straight measurement with equal distances between them. And we'll just freehand single hole for the back for that adapter tool. And we also need 2 different holes at the back. These are where the screws will insert to mount this against the wall. So to give you an idea, a piece of timber just butts up right against the plywood back here. With that screw is going to be at a 45-degree angle. So I like to use a hole punch just to mark where we're going to be drilling. Just helps the drill bit settle into the correct place. For this one, I'm using a drill press, but in future ones that I built, I just free-handed it with just a normal hand drill. Drill press is a bit overkill and really makes it a bit too complex. Also drilling with a slightly bigger size so you can countersink the heads of the screws. If you're doing it again, I'd suggest just use the big size and then freehand with a smaller one after. That's all there really is to it. So now we'll just fix it onto the wall. Level it out, do the other side, and put the tools in. So this is a really simple tool holder. It's about as easy as they get. There are some more advanced versions which I love as well, particularly the ones with the slots at the front for the small headed screwdrivers. Remember to hit like, subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoy.